Articulate and cute, kinda quintessential, unique and elegant too. Everything that I need, baby, you are a queen.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a wash and go using Unclefunkysdaughter hair products and also hair paint wax. I already washed my hair, so now I will be applying the Unclefunkysdaughter Midnight Train Leave-In Conditioner from their Ultimate Travel Kit. So I am spraying on my hair, and as you know, this smells so good. If you've seen my videos before, you know I crave for the smell. So after I spray it on my hair, I just use my hands to help smooth it out and apply it and to let it set in. So now we're going to be using their Super Curl Moisturizing Miracle Cream. This cream is definitely a miracle. It has my curls feeling so soft, and it really defines my curls really well. When I apply hair paint wax on my hair, I really don't use that much product because you just want everything to, you know, not weigh down your hair as well, but you also want the definition to be there. Applying a leave-in conditioner with also a cream styler definitely works well with the hair paint wax. So as you see here, I'm just raking the product throughout my hair, smoothing out my strands and just making sure that my curls are really well defined. With this Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream, it is also definitely perfect for twist styles or rod sets or anything with styling your hair. I like to do a wash and go with this hair paint wax, so that's what we're doing today. Now that I apply all of the cream in my hair, I'm just sectioning it off so that way I can blow dry my hair. Sometimes people actually apply the hair paint wax on wet hair, but I find out that like when your hair is really like kind of dry but a little bit damp, it really shows the color more better. You can really see the color is more vibrant when it's kind of dry, because when you put the hair paint wax on your hair, if you put it on top of something wet, it will just slide off and it won't be as vibrant. So right here you see I'm just working in sections, just making sure that it is dry, and then after it is dry, I'm just showing your curls. The curls are popping. So now we're gonna go ahead and move on with applying the hair paint wax on my hair. Today I will be applying the red hair paint wax. So this is how it looks here, and this is how much I'm actually applying per section just to start off with. And as you see, it immediately shows like no color is slipping off. So I do use about 1 jar. You do not have to use more than that, you know, just buy enough. I like to start off with my ends first and then work my way up. I really focus more on getting the color vibrant, so as you see, that is how it looks. Now if it has some left over at the end and you want to apply, you know, kind of cover up the black parts, you can. I kind of like to give an ombre look to start off with first, and I just go back over it if I have any product left and just kind of cover up the parts that I didn't put in there. But overall, this is how it is looking so far. I'm just kind of raking the product through. Basically almost done with applying the hair color on my hair. I'm just kind of going back over the parts that I kind of want to show more. So I'm just putting the hair paint wax on my roots and kind of like smoothing it out to blend in. And I'm just raking the product through, and I'm just kind of feeling where I did miss some parts at. To really see how my hair is going to look, I'm just going to part where I actually feel like my hair is going to lay, and I'm just going back over it, just filling in any gaps that I did miss, as you see. Now as you see, the Super Curl Miracle Moisture Cream and everything with the Unclefunkysdaughter product combined with hair paint wax really makes my hair look so good, y'all. It complements each other. Basically done applying it on my hair. So this is how the bottle looked with nothing in it. As you see, you only need 1 jar. So now I'm just gonna go back in and blow dry my hair. I will be stretching out my hair as well. Now this combination of products really don't leave a lot of shrinkage in my hair. The shrinkage is really not there, So, but I will be going to the max with also stretching it out because I just like a good old big voluminous stretched hair. This is the overall finished look, y'all. I am definitely excited at how it came out to be. It is so beautiful. I love the curls that it did provide, and I love the color as well. It's so vibrant. You can find Uncle Funky's Daughter products that I use today at your local CVS, and check out Hairpaintwax as well. All of the information will be in my description box, and thanks for watching. Love y'all. Bye.